On the deck of Patrick Lynch's boat, I sat in sorrow deep. Through the weary day I sighed alone. Through the night I could not sleep. Were it not in grief I leave my kin and all I've loved below. By the blessed sun I'd gladly sing the praise of dear Mayo. When I lived at home in plenty once, and gold was mine to spend, with laughing girls and flowing ale, the nights would never end. But bitter now the turning tide that bids me rise and go, to leave my bones in Santa Cruz, far from my own Mayo. The girls of Errol now are changed, grown proud in dress and air, with braided hair and lifted heads, no glance or thought they spare. But little now I heed their ways, for fate has struck the blow that sends me far to foreign lands, away from sweet Mayo. My grief that Patrick Laughlin now no longer holds his name, and Brian Duff upon the hill no longer rules the same, and Hugh McGrady lies in earth laid silent, cold and low, while I sail on the restless sea from the shores of Mayo.